Wait, I need to pull the name of who gave us this tank top.
Anthony Sanchez gave us this tank top. Thank you so much. I went and met him in Cebu last year when he went home. He gave us a lot of gifts, very emotional gifts. Thank you so much.
It's a beautiful tank top.
Yeah, Fabi's wearing it a lot. I love it too, but I'm just loving my robe more.
Can't wait to wear it outside, but here it's still cold.
Speaking of, we are going home next year, you guys. So keep an eye out. We're gonna release an announcement. And for those people who would like to collab, would like to be in our YouTube channel, we are open. It doesn't matter how many subscribers you have, but has to be 1 million or more. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. No.
And there's a very cheap fee to pay of $100,000.
$100,000.
So in today's video, we're gonna be reacting to the Jack Jeans whatever
promotional video
of
the Binibining. Oh, you say it.
In today's video, we're gonna be reacting to the Jack Jeans denim promotion videos that came out from Binibining Pilipinas 2019.
Wow, guys, it's still the morning. I haven't even finished my coffee yet. Oh, my coffee mug from Cuba. I haven't finished my coffee yet, and Fabio woke me up already, and he's like, "Wake up."
You know how I woke him up? I jumped on him and I slapped him in the face.
Slapped him in the face. Anyways, a special shout out to all our new friends at the Binibining Pilipinas competing this year.
We love you, girls. We love you all.
We didn't know that they're actually subscribers. Some of them are subscribers on our channel and have been following us ever since. Yes. So, example is Shane Tormes.
Yes, hi Shane.
So we follow each other on Instagram now. We've been messaging. The other one is Hannah Arnold.
Oh my
We're
God.
We're friends on Instagram now too.
Beautiful Hannah.
Very beautiful one. And then all of them are beautiful.
Yeah.
The third one is Eileen. I forgot her last name. Thank you for watching and thank you for appreciating our previous video. And we're gonna be documenting all this. So Binibining Pilipinas, if you would like to invite us this year for the coronation night, we are open. We would like to fly there in a heartbeat.
We are open. We'll open our schedule for you.
We are.
You know, we're very, very busy, but we'll open the schedule for you.
We are. If you will allow us to vlog the event, that'd be nice.
Anyway, you can fly us there first class.
Wow, okay? No.
Because we never flew first class.
I don't think they will pay for our flight. I would pay for mine if they would invite us for coronation.
Yeah,
because we love pageants so much. Anyway, this video is so long already. We're gonna do a lot.
All right, let's begin the video. So, contestant number 1, Jessica Marazigan.
Beautiful. Confident.
Ooh.
And sexy.
And sexy. Beautiful, confident, and sexy. Wow.
She looks like one of the YouTubers, the makeup beauty guru that I follow. I forgot her name. Very beautiful. I like the pink top. I like the hair. Cute.
Next one is Danielle Joy Magno. Let's see. She's wearing green today. Ooh.
I am fierce.
I am fierce.
I am strong.
She looks like Mema Entrata.
I am brave.
She has abs. Oh, she's
I
pretty.
love it. I love it. I like that each one of them has to say like 3 adjectives about themselves.
Yes.
And I like that they're wearing different designs too. They're not like...
Yeah, there's ripped jeans, there's short shorts, booty shorts.
Yeah.
I think Magno is one of my favorite because she has a very tan skin. She's very Filipina looking. Danielle. Yeah, I remember her from our first video. Next one is number 3, Martina Turner Diaz. Let's listen to their adjectives because... Oh, this one. The jeans is different.
Driven.
Oh, she's pretty too.
And strong.
And strong.
Oh my
It's
gosh,
beautiful.
She's so pretty too.
Yeah.
Driven, family oriented, and strong.
Oh, I'm loving this thing.
So driven, she likes to drive.
No, she gets driven around
by the Uber driver. Okay. She's pretty. How do they pick now the winner for the coronation? I guess they're all pretty. Anyway.
Yeah. This year, I think you girls are like rocking it.
They raised the bar.
There's not one of them that I'm like, oh, she's not gonna make it.
Catriona Gray raised the bar.
Seriously.
Next one.
Seriously. Next one, Malka Shaver.
Go.
Very shaved armpits.
She's tall.
Ooh, she's very tall.
Sambuanga Sibuga. Yes.
Long lines.
No adjectives.
Nothing to say about herself.
No adjectives.
No adjectives, this one. It's okay.
It's okay.
She
feel like
is very tall.
I like her body because it's very proportionate. It's like
Yeah.
she's
Yeah.
very tall legs.
She's very
tall.
nice.
Yeah, tall. What do you call this part?
Torso.
Torso, long arms.
Yeah, and the only thing that scares me a lot is that pool. They're wearing high heels in a pool.
Oh yeah.
Like,
Infinity pool. They're gonna jump.
alright, next one. Sigrid Grace Flores.
Go.
Let's go. Oh, God.
Purpose-driven, strong-willed, and a visionary.
Visionary.
Wow, she's a visionary.
Give me the numbers of the lottery.
She's so pretty.
Beautiful. And she's the first one wearing white in this one.
Oh yeah.
Nice. Nice, Sigrid. I love it. So, next one. Jane Darren Genovese. Let's go.
Pink.
I am inspirational,
Inspirational.
courageous,
Oh, I love courageous.
and beyond beauty.
Beyond beauty. Oh, wow.
She has a very Filipina.
Yeah,
She has
yeah.
a very Filipina beauty face.
Very, very, very. Honey Grace Cartazano. I messed it up last time too.
Oh, this Caprice pants. I'm not a big fan, but they're cute.
Graceful,
Yes.
of course, adventurous.
Adventures. She's
I like
feeling herself
adventures.
in this
Guys, if we are in this, I think my adjective would be adventurous. Coffee lover. What do you think of coffee lover? It's still the morning. I don't know what I'm saying.
Joanna Carla Saad.
Ooh. Oh, she's pretty.
Compassionate,
Ooh.
risk taker,
Risk taker. That's a good one.
strong.
Strong.
I like when they play and they're really having fun in
I
there.
think, like what Katrina Gray said, like all the preparation before the competition is done. During the competition, and every time the camera is on you, it's time to have fun.
Yeah.
That's really it. There's nothing to do anymore.
Nothing.
Yeah.
That's so true.
I also like these videos because if we get a chance to look them up close up, because all the pictures could be altered and different, and there's a lot of makeup, and this is like more clean, and we get to see them.
Yeah.
And so far, all of them could be winners.
Oh my
it
God,
really
that's
depends
so
on how
good.
they walk and how they answer questions and their charisma on stage. Charisma, uniqueness, nerve, and talent. Number 9 is Melba Kara Makasait. Fierce.
Ooh.
I am God-fearing,
Aw, God-fearing.
spontaneous,
She looked like she twerked there.
and cheerful.
Cheerful. That's a good one.
Lovely.
Cute. Marianne Marquez. Oh, I remember Marianne Marquez. She's
Marianne
one of my
Marquez.
favorite.
Yep.
Yeah. Oh, the baby
Ooh.
face.
I love this pose.
I can be whoever I want to be.
She has a very baby face. I wonder.
Awesome.
I wonder if they did the water pose last because they're gonna get wet.
Yeah, oh, I'm sure they did.
Sherry Ann Tormes. Wait, is this the one? Shane Tormes. Are they the same? Wait. Yes, this is our friend.
I am bubbly,
Oh, she's bubbly.
So good.
independent, and a goal setter.
Yes.
Good.
Oh, she's
Yeah, I
pretty.
love it.
If you're a bubbly girl, you should start a YouTube channel and we should collab.
Yeah.
Otherwise, you can still come to our YouTube channel. We were actually messaging just 5 minutes ago starting this video.
Yeah.
So I woke up and she's like, "Oh my god, thank you so much, guys." I'm like, "Oh no, I'm fangirling to you." Oh, she's so cute. Oh, this one is Gatsini Ganados. Oh, this one my favorite too.
It's eating ganados.
Oh,
Fierce,
Pia Wurtzbach.
I am bubbly.
Oh, wow.
I am fearless.
Fearless. Oh,
Pia
she's
Wurtzbach.
so good looking.
Oh my
I love it.
gosh. Maria Andrea Abisamis.
Oh, the only one with a cape.
Pia Wurtzbach too.
Fearless,
Oh my god, they all look the same.
Oh, I love
and
this.
powerful.
Oh, gorgeous. I think she's probably, in this one, she's one of my favorite.
How are they gonna be judged now?
I have no idea. It's like so hard.
It's
It's honestly, like they're so tight
Yeah, I know.
It's like
everywhere.
it's incredible.
But you're right. Can we talk about the platform they were walking on? It's like glass and there's water.
Yeah.
And then they're wearing heels. Lauren May Bautista. Ooh. I love the pop of yellow earring and the shoes.
Spontaneous
Spontaneous.
and fearless.
Yes, girl. Yep.
Cute. Next one is Maria Isabella Galleria. Oh, very Filipino
I'm
beauty.
fierce. I'm strong
I love this pose.
and I'm unique.
Unique. She's the only one that said unique.
Unique so far. Her her face is very structured, bone structure, cheekbones, jawline, everything.
I love the pose in the water when she was kind of
Yes.
smiling, but not. She was being so fierce there. So the next one is Denise Omorog.
Oh, I love the hair.
I'm optimistic,
Pocahontas.
grateful,
Was she the Pocahontas that you said?
and
I don't know.
passionate.
Why are they all so skinny?
Gorgeous.
Why are they all so skinny?
I think they don't go to McDonald's.
They
that's
don't.
Why.
They don't go to Jollibee too.
The next one is Bea Patricia Magtanong.
Magtanong. Wow.
I'm strong
Oh, I like that pose. She's the only one who did that.
I love the gay pride earrings.
gay pride earrings.
and I am fearless.
She looks like one of the previous beauty queens from the Philippines already. The one that is a news anchor now. Next one is our friend too.
Hannah Consentino Arnold. Sorry guys if I mess up your names.
He's Italian. He reads it differently.
I am kind,
Oh, she's
Aw.
kind.
optimistic,
Ah.
and fierce.
Her voice.
She's very calm in saying that.
Her voice
Oh,
is
I
like.
love.
Her voice is like. I am kind.
Yeah.
She looks like she
Very
could work
slow.
in a call center agent.
She
call
really
center.
took her time.
I know.
I love it. So the next one is Eileen Astrid de Vera.
Our friend.
Rocket Girl.
I'm spontaneous,
Oh, that's a nice pose.
Oh.
outgoing,
Oh, she's so
and
pretty.
empowered.
She's so pretty. I like her
Yeah.
face. It's like very oval.
Yeah.
It's like it's stretched.
It's
It's
beautiful.
cute.
So Julia Caleia Saubier.
Relax this arm. You look
I'm
like
sorry. Just wanna flex my bicep.
Strong,
Oh.
cosmopolitan,
Cosmopolitan.
and soulful.
Ooh. What the fuck is cosmopolitan?
It's the drink. She's a drink. She's a drink.
Pauline Ann Barker. Oh, I remember her.
So tall, this one.
Oh, I like that pose.
Oh, she's like a high.
Passionate.
Oh, she's the only one that got her hair wet.
I know she
Did
was
you
working the
notice?
water. She wasn't scared with the water.
Yeah, I think she really looks like a high fashion model.
Yeah. Next one is April, May, June, July. No,
Short,
I'm kidding. Short.
long, tall.
I'm independent,
Oh, she's pretty.
loving,
Very
and
relaxed face.
strong-willed.
Oh, she's very sensual. She's very fierce. She's not scared. Next one is
She's not scared. What is scared?
scared. Lara Lakap.
Ooh, nice top. This one.
Optimistic,
She's optimistic.
persistent,
Persistent.
and independent.
Oh, lovely.
Oh, that smile.
Very nice.
I wish they would just have fun with it, you know, like literally run. I would like to see somebody run to the camera and slow motion it, and then their hair would be like wavy.
Yeah,
Anyway.
you're such a visionary.
If I
love
were the director for the shoot, that's what I would do. So Jag, if you want a director, hire me.
it. Nicole Guerrero.
I am a boss.
She's a boss.
I am a warrior.
Oh.
I am beyond you.
She's so strong, probably. She is strong.
Her adjective seems like she
Very
is a
powerful.
strong, powerful, independent woman. Let's go, Beyonce.
So next one is Samantha Ashley Lowe.
I am strong,
the teeth.
Beautiful.
Oh, I love this
I'm
pose.
focused.
Oh, she's focused. The zipper! Zip it up! She's cute. Next one is Emma Mary Tiglao.
Hair.
Oh, I love her face.
I am a fighter.
The jeans in this
Oh
one.
man,
are
her
beautiful.
face is so pretty.
And I am beyond beauty.
Wow, the eyes.
I
They're
love
like
her face. I love her face. It's so unique. Okay,
Samantha Mai Bernardo.
it's me.
Me.
Wow.
I
Oh,
am a
Playgirl. Yeah,
fashion
she's having fun.
and a risk taker.
So how do you guys judge these women because they're actually all beautiful? Ruby Faustino.
I'm fun,
She's fun.
adventurous,
Ooh.
and fierce.
Oh,
Yes, hair
yeah,
flip.
you are. Yeah, you are.
Just so cute. Cassandra Bermeo Chan.
I'm cool,
Oh, she's cool.
Ooh, nice pose.
calm,
She's calm.
and poised.
Poised. Yes.
Cute.
Everyone's so fit. I am shocked.
Risham Ramirez Saeed. Oh, she's one of my favorite because she has a very unique face.
Again, the
I like that pose.
Gay Pride earrings. This one. Too.
I'm an empowered woman.
I wonder what the photo shoot like. They probably borrowed the earrings. She's
Yeah.
cute.
Danielle Isabel Dolk.
Dope. She's tall.
I'm youthful,
Youthful. Yeah.
spontaneous,
Nice.
and empathic.
Beautiful.
Long legs. That's all I saw.
Yeah.
Mary Faye Kunanan Murphy.
Creative,
Oh, she's great. She's the first one who said that. Creative.
Yeah.
strong,
Strong.
I love this top.
and free-spirited.
Free spirited. Nice.
Oh, that's cute one. Cute adjective. Next one is Jessary Dumagi. Oh, she's my favorite.
Strong,
I remember the face.
I am independent,
Oh wow, body.
Nice.
Body yada yada. She reminds me of, again, the major one. What's her name? Anyway, next one is Alanis Rain Binoya. Oh, I love her too.
positive,
She's positive.
approachable,
Approachable. Nice.
Like us.
fierce.
Fierce.
Like us. See, she's us.
She has a lot of stones in her earrings. I love it.
Kimberly May Peng Chong.
I'm powerful,
Powerful.
Oh, like.
mysterious,
I love her
this
face.
but loving.
Oh, but lovely. Mysterious, but lovely. Nice.
Loving.
Francia Papa Lederos. Oh, I love the face.
I'm bold,
Ooh. Perfect.
I'm fearless.
Wow,
Her
she's so beautiful.
Her body is well proportionated.
Yellow looks so good on her.
Because she
Her
has a
skin.
tan skin. I
Yeah.
love it. Samantha Poblete.
I'm
Oh.
kind,
She's kind.
determined,
Determined.
and fierce.
Everybody wants to be fierce. What is fierce? Vicky Marie Milagrosa.
I am strong,
Ooh, gorgeous pose.
compassionate,
It's always hard.
and adventurous.
Oh.
Nice. I love how she posed.
It's always hard when you have like a prop in your hand because how are you gonna model that anyway?
Nicole Magno.
Oh, I remember Magno name.
Strong,
Yes, hair flip.
That gave me strength.
compassionate,
She's compassionate. That's so cute.
go-getter.
Go get her. Go get her, girl. Next one is Joanna Rose Toledo.
Ooh.
I am optimistic,
Yes, you better lean forward.
adventurous,
That's
but
mine.
fierce.
Yes. Like it.
She's
I like
so
that
cute.
final.
That's everyone. Oh my gosh.
Oh my
What do you think?
god. This is amazing, guys. So I am really, really, really impressed with this this year's competition. It's like everyone is so. There's not one of you that is like
Yes.
completely low, and so you're like, oh, they're not gonna make it. It's like they're all there. They all.
I'm
can
just
be
excited to
winners.
see the competition, the coronation night, because that's the make it or break it moment. Because
I'm very excited to see the question and answer.
I wish I could interview one of them. Like, how do you feel? Like, are you nervous?
Of course they are.
'Cause-
I'm sure there's some.
Yeah. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to our channel.
Subscribe to our channel. Feel free to message us. We always try to get back to you, and we'll see you all next time for the next challenge
I'm
in this
excited to see.
competition.
I'm excited to see their night evening gown
Yeah,
and their swimsuit.
the swimsuit too, because that makes a big difference as well.
Swimsuit is like, I feel like the category where you can have fun. And the evening gown, you have to be very serene, regal.
Yeah.
But swimsuit, you have to have fun. So it's all about fun during swimsuit. And flip and turn and twist.
And I have to say, those are the two fun moments in the competition, and question and answer is the one that scares me the most.
So nerve-wracking!
Because you know, guys, that we always recreate it each
We
year.
are going to do it every year again.
So stay tuned for that. I'm sweating just thinking about it. I don't know why I start
know.
sweating every time.
Oh, I'm curious to know about their advocacy too. What do they fight
that's
for?
true. That's true.
Anyway.
Anyways, see you all next time. Thank you again for watching.
Bye,
Goodbye now.
guys. Bye now.